My soul feels low. Only you can heal me so. Ya Allah, give me peace. Let this pain slowly cease. Forgive my sins from days gone by. I return now with tears in eyes. I knew the right, I chose the wrong. I walked away for far too long, but now I stand at your door. Ya Allah, I want no more. You forgive, you always care. No one else shows love so fair. Wash my heart, make me new. All my hope is only you. Ya Allah, hold my hand, guide my life as you have planned. I trust your mercy.